Hello once again, my friends. So today I wanted to share with you my experience as I opened the door and went out to my vehicle. I was surprised to find that everything was practically frozen over. That's right. Freezing rain created these treacherous conditions which ironically create beautiful landscapes. As we all know, freezing rain occurs when rain comes down and it instantly freezes upon contact when it contacts anything that is at or below freezing. So anything that is 32 degrees or colder. So as you can see here, it creates these beautiful frozen water droplets on all the plants, foliage, and the grasses. I really enjoy looking at these. Each little droplet is so unique and distinguishable from the other. As you can see here, this was just a very light accumulation of freezing rain, but it could have been much worse. Several layers could have been disastrous, but nonetheless, as you can see here, the vehicles are definitely frozen over with this light accumulation of freezing rain. Needless to say, be careful during those winter months here in Appalachia.